friends, we're back with a new sketching video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a sunflower. Let's start off by drawing a circle of radius 1.5 centimeters, and let's draw another circle of approximately 3.5 centimeters. Now I'm going to fill the inner circle with smaller circles. It doesn't have to be perfect though. I'm going to further divide this segment into 4 parts. Now, I'm going to draw the petals. Now we've completed one circle of petals. Let's draw smaller petals here, like they're popping out from behind. So now let's draw the stem for our sunflower. And we could have one leaf here, the other one here, and another here. The leaves don't have to be of a perfect shape. Now we can erase the guidelines. Oh, this is taking too long. Let me use my magic trick. We're done. Now let's just add some color to our sunflower. I'm going to use a little bit of brown for the center. I'm going to use 2 shades of green, a dark one and a light one for the leaves and the stem. I'm just going to draw a line with dark green. Same thing with the leaves, but I'm going to be doing the veins in a dark green. I'm going to fill it up with light green. I'm going to use color pencils to give it a more realistic effect. I'm just using a brown color pencil to darken the petals. And I'm doing it only at the start of the petals and not at the ends. I'm going to use another shade of yellow to blend it all in. A green color pencil. For the outer of the leaves. I'm going to be completing this with a touch of yellow and green. I'm going to use a grey marker for the folds. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more art and craft content, smash that subscribe button and do give this video a big thumbs up. Be creative.